Hello YouTube. Here we have a Toyota Land Cruiser. That's a police car, Anthony.
Yeah.
I have my helper here. And we are going to assemble this. 30 kilograms max weight, model number. Let's take everything out of the box and put this together.
What is in there?
Okay, open like this.
Whoa!
Get this in here.
Whoa!
Vai pra lá um pouquinho.
Whoa!
Wow, that's a big car, Anthony.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big car. Whoa. Get this here.
You got this.
One more part.
Whoa. Mommy did this.
As you can see, car is pretty nice.
Daddy.
Oh, that's for the step tire, Anthony.
Yeah.
The windshield, nice smoked glass.
Daddy.
Same here,
Daddy.
both. What is this, Anthony? Okay, so this goes in the back. Nice chrome wheel caps, big wheels, Toyota steering wheel, nice seat. Let's get this all together.
Yeah.
12 volts battery, controller here.
12.
Nice. So far so good, huh, Anthony?
Can't do it.
Similar to most of the cars, we have to do some assemble here first. All of this has to be mounted like so, and then you put the screws on. I think I'm missing some parts. Maybe it's under the car.
On the car?
This. Oh yeah, see? There's some parts here. Okay. Then I gotta cut this.
Daddy, let me see off.
Okay, Anthony, go ahead.
I did.
So I start with this. Look like this goes here. Like this. This one goes here.
Daddy.
You need 3 screws for each of these. Where is the screw goes? Open the door. Okay. One goes right here.
Daddy.
The other one goes.
What?
Now,
What?
get this. Goes here. Stop. Now this back panel goes in the back. No screws, just well, tough one to think. Big bar goes all the way across. Vamos pôr o pneu agora, mais um pneu. Põe um washer. Do outro lado, hein, tem pneu.
Cadê?
Do outro lado, isso. Esse lado. Aqui, ó. Põe aqui no furo. Põe aqui. Isso. Agora vamos apertar.
Pizza.
Washer.
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 No, oh, this is so hard. Ugh. Washer. Okay, so now let's turn this up to the wheel, steering wheel. Now we gotta connect this two ones. This is the battery. Motors are already connected. Battery is there. Controller is right here. It should be easy one now.
Cadeira.
Vamos ver. Cadê a cadeira?
Daí.
Põe esse aqui. O banco tá aqui. Deixa eu ver como que vai esse banco aqui.
Aqui.
Aí? Ok. Põe esse cabo pra cá.
Daí. Também cortador.
Ah, põe o espelho aí, então.
Picado.
Cadê o outro?
Como assim? Ai, 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 ai.
Okay, this one is good.
Ok, worse.
Aqui.
Acabou?
Pronto?
Pai, acabou?
Ainda não.
Eu não.
Almost done, Anthony. Almost done. It's a big car, but just fits one. This sits. Yeah, it actually shows two, but I think it's just for one.
Pai,
Esse aí,
sim,
Anthony.
vamos.
Aonde vai esse?
Aqui, aqui.
Aí?
Sim.
Two screws right here.
Aqui, aqui, cry. Why I do this? How do I do that?
Ok, mas tem que abrir aqui, ó. Ok? Vai ali, ó, pra gente poder ver.
Whoa, you did.
Good. I think it's done, Anthony. Now the last portion is take this. Nice. How do I take this? Land Cruiser V8. All right, we just finished. It's a Land Cruiser police car, Toyota. Nice lights in the front. That's cool. What, Anthony? I need to put some batteries here, Anthony. That's why it's not working. But you're on low and high speed. Go, go. Let's see. Oh, this is cool, Anthony. Go, keep on going. It drives in the grass pretty well. It's not 4x4, it's only 2x2. Rear wheel drive, but it's going well. Anthony having a lot of fun. We just finished assembling this. Maybe, I don't know, I would say 30 minutes or so. This way now, Anthony. Nice lights, Anthony. How do you open the door, Anthony?
I draw.
There is something here.
Here's the tree.
Open the door. Nice chromed wheels.
Tree, Daddy.
Nice glasses. Closes pretty well. Look, the tail lights. Interceptor. Top protect and serve. That's nice, Anthony. Really cool. Now we have Bernardo. Yeah, he's quite big for this one. He's 10 years old. But let's see. Will it handle it? It's definitely heavier than the recommended maximum weight. But see, car is going well. Good job, Bernardo. Go in the grass. Even with all of this weight, it keeps on holding the grass. Nice. He's a bit big, but still, it's going well. Pretty good, and Bernardo?
Yeah.
Works pretty well.